Here we are, Upland Trail, Wells Lake Trail, Oak Savanna Trail. So this is River Park, Arkansas, outside Fort Smith. River Park, Arkansas. This is Oak Savanna. Quite beautiful. Very lush. They suggest that you not go off the trail because it's deer tick season, and who wants Lyme disease, right? So maybe you want to go through a hike in there. a little bit tough. So I'll stay on the trail. So I'm here in Arkansas to teach my student Michael Young. These are beautiful. Teach my student Michael Young and his study group about Ili Chen, which means mental physical way. Beautiful oak. Mental physical fist. So this is my first broadcast on Periscope. Seems to make things easy for what I want. Some pines. Really beautiful. So this is me. Here I am. Quite beautiful. Never been to Arkansas. Look at this little guy. The flies don't seem to be scared of us. That's not too bad. I was in the nature center here and I was watching a rat snake get fed. That was kind of cool. I've never actually seen feeding time. The thing woke up from its nap, didn't waste any time. Grabbed the little white mouse, constricted, took about, 30 seconds. Swallowed it down, it was gone. And I felt something on my leg, so looked down, there's this fly. Had to have been about this long. Big fly. But it didn't seem to be doing too well. It's kind of slow, crawling around on me. So I knocked it off, let it crawl away on the floor. Looks like the fly forgot how to fly. Ooh, this is different. So we were in Oak Savanna before, and I guess Oak Savanna includes pines. But if you're in an office right now, you should probably share this with your pals, because being in nature makes you feel happy. I feel happy. Look at that flower. Well, I think I'll go up to this tree, take a little break. Pretty dense. The weather's about perfect here outside Fort Smith, Arkansas. I'm a couple of miles, maybe 3 or 4 miles from the Arkansas River. I guess it can be very hot. But seeing as I'm coming from Tucson, Arizona, where it was really hot last week, we broke some records. And I got off the plane in northwest Arkansas, and it was absolutely perfect weather. Road and a gate up there, I don't know where that goes, there's no signs. Road and a gate down there, so this must be an access or a fire road. So this area is put together in the 40s to create a reservoir to support a fort that they were building. So this area here is just a few miles outside of Fort Smith. Well, thought I might catch some wildlife. Maybe deer or bear. Maybe not today. Late summer berries of some kind. Those are little. Well, I think I'm going to call it a wrap here on this one. Have a great day.